Back in.
Don't scoop it out.
Pass me a
Can you relax?
Whose birthday is it?
Mine.
Miguel's.
Isaiah, whose birthday is it?
Mine.
Show me who. Show me who. Oh, okay.
Nobody waited for me.
You gotta eat first. Move, because we're gonna make it go on my shirt.
Happy birthday, Maria.
Thank you, Tito.
Why don't you go put that over there?
So I can partake.
So it could be off the table so people eat
Happy
cake.
birthday to you.
We got recording you guys today.
Yes. Ooh, I gotta do that here. Tell the camera. I gotta do that here.
Oh, okay, thank you. That actually looks good. Really good.
Come over here, Sam.
So what that means? You want some or no?
What do you have to say?
Isaiah.
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
I'm not a very interesting person.
What about you, B-Bell?
Well,
This is for your hair.
How about you, Ashley?
what?
What do you gotta say? Anything at all.
This cake is pretty good.
Sankofa.
Sankofa.
Who's this one?
What about you?
Miguel.
What do you gotta say?
Happy birthday, Mom.
Can you look at the camera and mean it or something?
Happy birthday.
She is gonna look at this and be like, wow, he couldn't even look at the camera and tell me happy birthday?
Because I'm looking at her instead.
The strawberry tastes like medicine.
What do you gotta say?
It sounds like a rash or something.
The chocolate.
Huh?
And like, yo, why are you in the hospital? Oh, I got that Sankofa.
What do you gotta say over there?
Can I get that plate?
I got cookies.
Well, besides that,
Thank you.
what about you, Maritza, over there in the corner?
I'm enjoying the cake.
No, no.
I know. Happy birthday.
She got an Indian dot right
I'll be forward with you.
That's a nipple. Miguel said it was a nipple. Okay, back to the birthday girl. What do you gotta say?
Right? That's what I'm saying. He said.
It's not that bad, though.
Jonathan,
I got a doctor.
what do you gotta say?
There's like a hole.
He got a hole inside his skin.
hungry.
His head.
He's looking at that one.
And mine's dead center.
Well, it's really a hole.
Ow.
Yeah, if you like really.
What do y'all gotta say?
Thank you.
What do you gotta say to Titi? Titi Maria. Huh? What about you, Cookie? What you gotta say to Titi Maria?
You don't say it.
Thank you? Thank you that it's her birthday? Okay. What do you gotta say to Titi Maria?
Happy birthday.
And what else?
Happy birthday.
Oh, okay.
I got another one.
Happy birthday.